The customer can choose to have the stem placed in the center of the base or off-center. Depending on the customer's choice, you want to make sure the base is oriented in the correct direction. Place the metal base where the customer wants. Place the 12 concrete pavers inside the base, 3 on each side, 2 high. The combined weight is over 500 pounds. The base will not be easily moved after you have placed the pavers. Place the teak frame over the base. Now attach the stainless steel plate to the base with the supplied 16mm bolts. On the frame there is a crank lock, a hole for the crank handle, and rotation lock. Pull out the rotation lock and rotate the bracket with the holes 45 degrees. You want the holes to be accessible. Attach the umbrella stem to the base using the 55mm bolts. On the frame there are 4 vertical adjustment knobs. If the frame isn't perfectly straight vertically, you can tighten and loosen the knobs to adjust the alignment. Fit the teak cover into the teak frame. Unzip the umbrella canopy prior to installing on the frame. On the arm of the frame there is a 25mm bolt. The canvas needs to be zipped over this arm. Using a ladder, place the canopy over the frame. Make sure the unzipped section goes around the arm of the frame. Disengage the crank lock by rotating it counterclockwise till it stops. Insert the crank handle and open the umbrella till you can remove the bolt in the arm. Zip the canopy back together and Velcro the flaps closed. Make sure to line up the 2 holes to overlap and attach the 25mm bolt into the arm. Close the umbrella fully, attach all the spokes of the frame into the pockets of the canvas. You can now open the umbrella fully. The umbrella can rotate 360 degrees. Raise the rotation handle and pull the rotation lock out. You can now rotate into 8 different locked positions. Once you start to rotate, you can let go of the rotation lock. The lock will automatically engage at the next position.